Good morning, student. I am your computer teacher, Mrs. Padma Kesri. Today I will teach you computer subject, chapter 3, Introduction to Windows. स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आप लोगों को चैप्टर 3 रीड करा रही हूँ कंप्यूटर का. सो लिसन केयरफुली. Windows is an operating system which enable us to work on a computer. Without it, we could not perform any function on a computer. Microsoft Windows. It is one of the most popular operating system given by the company Microsoft. When you start a computer, after some time you might observe a rectangular frame that shows different program on the screen, which is called desktop. Windows 10. Windows come up with different versions. Microsoft Windows 1.0 was the first version given by the company Microsoft in the year 1985. The latest version of Microsoft Windows is 10. It has been designed to run on desktop computers, laptops, tablets and phones. स्टूडेंट, आपके स्क्रीन पे ये दिख रहा है विंडोज़ का ऊपर डेस्कटॉप आइकॉन्स. ओके, आते हैं नेक्स्ट पेज पे. Let us learn about some of the parts of Windows 10 desktop. Desktop icon. It is a small picture on the desktop screen. It represents an application or a file. To open the application, simply double click on the icon representing it. Taskbar. The bar that runs along the bottoms of the desktop is called taskbar. It contains the start menu on the left, several applications icons, taskbar icons, and the notification area on the right. Start menu. Windows 10 start menu incorporates elements of Windows 7 traditionals. Start menu with the title of Windows 8 provides a customizable list of apps, list of most recently opened documents, a way to find files, and gets help to access system setting. Notification area. This area display a small icon that notified you about tasks that are running on your computer. Taskbar icons. These icons are used to launch some Windows 10 features with just a single click on the mouse. Time and date. The current time and date on your computer is found in the right corner of the taskbar. To see the full date, position the mouse over the time. To change the date or time, click on the time. Opening an application. To work on computer or to start up an application, we must follow certain steps, which are: click on the start button in the bottom left corner. नेक्स्ट पेज पे आते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. Choose the desired applications to To show all the apps installed on the system, select All Apps option. All installed apps will appear in the list in alphabetical order. Arranging the icons. Arranging the icons on desktop screen is a wonderful work that everyone like to do. In this, you can arrange files and folders in a specific desired way. To arrange icons by name, type, date or size, follow these steps. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu will appear. Click on Web option. A new submenu will appear. Click on choices given on the submenu to arrange the icons in the order. Do you know the icons can be automatically arranged by clicking on Auto Arrange Icons option. New feature window 10. New features are added in Windows 10 that make it more secure and user friendly. These are features are explained below. Cortana. It is a voice activated personal assistant. It can answer questions like what's the weather of today, perform simple task of remind you to take out the trash and much more. नेक्स्ट पेज पे आते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. Multiple desktop and task view. Instead of keeping everything open on the same desktop, you can move some of your windows to a virtual desktop to get them out of the way. And the new task view feature make it easy to manage all your open windows. Microsoft Edge. This new browser is designed to give Windows users a better experience of the web. It is faster, more secure, and includes a lot of few new features. Action Center. The new Action Center has been expanded to let your access frequently used settings such as Wi-Fi connectivity and tablet mode, etc. Tablet mode. Unlike Windows 8, Windows 10 makes a clear distinction between desktop and tablet. Using these pictures, you can switch between tablet mode and desktop mode. Do you know DOS is an operating system that was used earlier. It is a text-based operating system which is used to type commands to perform tasks. नेक्स्ट पेज पे आते हैं स्टूडेंट. नॉलेज बाइट्स. विंडो इज एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज is one of the most popular operating systems. Windows 10 is the latest version of the Microsoft Windows operating system. टास्क बार, आइकॉन्स, नोटिफिकेशन एरिया etc. are some parts of Windows 10. Cortana, multiple desktop task view are some of new feature of Windows 10. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपका ये लेसन कंप्लीट हो गया है और आप लोग इस लेसन को फिर से रीड करिएगा। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर, बाय बाय।